Hello, welcome guys. Greetings to everybody. Today I am here with Burglar alarm system with PIR sensor. You can see I am using Tinkercad software because in today's duration of lockdown it is not possible to get hardware and other materials. So without wasting time we will start the video. First of all I use Arduino here. You can see my Arduino here. I am showing you. Arduino, this is my Arduino. This is my PIR sensor. This is my buzzer, and I have made connections here. Now I am zooming in so you can see. You can see I have connected my cathode pin of LED with ground of Arduino, and with respectively I have connected the positive and negative terminal of the PIR sensor to Arduino. Then I have connected the ground terminal of buzzer with Arduino and positive terminal of buzzer to pin number 10 of Arduino. You can see the positive terminal of LED to pin number 9 and the signal pin of PIR sensor at PWM pin of Arduino 8. So I have generated some codes here. You can also see my codes. Here I am closing the code bar, and you can see in the right corner here there is a LED, resistors, potentiometer, and push button and switch and other material. This is the very helpful. This software is very helpful if we don't have any type of hardware and other material, so it helps us. Now I am going to tell you the advantages of this. I have made the PPT. Wait a minute, I am showing you PPT. This is my PPT. Hi guys, my name is Harshal Yogesh Sati. Just wait a minute. Now it's okay. Today, the burglar alarm system using Arduino Uno made by Harshal Yogesh Sati. You can see my circuit diagram. I have connected the 5-volt supply. The 5-volt supply from here to my breadboard, and PRs. I also connected my PR sensor to breadboard and other material in the breadboard. We will go for next slide. Connection. First I have connect 5-volt DC power supply to breadboard from Arduino. See this is the DC 5-volt supply from Arduino. Here I have connected this with breadboard. Next step. Connected the power terminal of PIR sensor and positive terminal of Arduino Uno, and connect ground terminal of PIR sensor to ground terminal of Arduino respectively. See, here is I marked the positive terminal of the PIR sensor red. You can see here I have connected the positive terminal of the PIR sensor to Arduino with respectively negative terminal also. Next part. Connect the signal pin of PIR sensor to pin number 8 of Arduino. Here you can see, I am zooming in. Here you can see the yellow wire. Here you can see this is the pin number 8 connected with the signal terminal of PIR sensor. Yeah, next. Connect the cathode terminal of LED to ground by using a resistor of 1 kilo ohms. Okay, here you can see this is the cathode pin of my LED. I connected it with ground by 1 kilo ohm resistor. Yeah, next. Connect the anode pin of LED to pin number 9 of Arduino. Yeah, here you can see I have connected the anode pin of LED with pin number 9. So you can see here. Yes. Now connections of buzzer. Connected the negative terminal of Connect negative terminal of buzzer to negative terminal of Arduino Uno. Here, here you can see this is my negative terminal of buzzer. Here I connected it to a black wire. After that, connect the positive terminal of buzzer to pin number 10 of Arduino. Yes, positive terminal with pin number 10. Yes. And now our connections are done and we will move for the working portion. Now place our circuit or the sensor at the entrance point, and wait a minute, I'll show you the sensor. Place these PIRs likely suppose, wait a minute, I'm starting the simulation. Yeah, just a minute. Yes, it's done. Now here you can see I'm going to start simulation. Before simulation, we have to generate some codes and the variable declaration part. So I have done here the variable declaration part and other things. Now I am going to start my simulation. Yeah. Now first the software will check and initialize the values, and if my programming is correct, then it will start a simulation. Yeah. Yeah. Assume the wait a minute. Okay, fine. Assume this light blue area of the sensor is the entrance of door, is the entrance of my door, and this is the dot of the this is the yellow dot, this is blue dot is burglar. So as the motion happens, see the burglar, I am moving it, and my buzzer and LED is glowing. You can see my LED is also glowing here. Now here you can see my LED is also glowing and buzzer is also ringing. After that I pause the simulation. Okay, now my simulation is stopped. Now I am going to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of this system. Now we have looked on working. Now we will move for the further advantage and disadvantage part. Yes, advantages and disadvantages of burglar alarm system. Sometimes we get quickly alerted, but this is the biggest advantage of burglar alarm system. But if if our sensor of burglar alarm system is get damaged, we won't get alerted. We get constant protection there. We get constant protection at home, wards, or anywhere else where you want to use this system. It cuts the phone lines. This is the biggest disadvantages of this is the one of the biggest disadvantage of this system. Lo- Sometimes we make insurances of our homes and other things, but if you use this system and we haven't used the insurance, it lowers the insurance rates, and it is very expensive. Sometimes it also makes false alarms. Yeah, it is the expensive. It is the quite expensive. Now we will go for the question answers part. My first question is it is so expensive? No, it is expensive, but quite expensive. Which sensor did you use in your circuit? Wait a minute, I'll show you from. Yeah, now it is okay. Which sensor did you use in your circuit? We have used the PIR sensor in our system. What to do if sensor got damaged? Then we have to change or replace the sensor. Can we use another sensor? Yes, there are so many sensors in market like gas sensor or the PIR sensor, ultrasonic sensor. We can use one of them sensors. Just we have to build up our logic and the programming part. So else now I'm now next slide. Now thank you. Thank you for making this online project competition and making this platform available for me. Again, very much thank you. Thank you so much.